Here's the facts. China, in total, has vaccinated around 600 million people. And they're getting faster as they do it as well, which is even more impressive. Wow, that's so busy. There's no way to sit. Where can we sit? Oh my god, it's jam-packed. Look how low this is. Oh, there's no seats. So you can see there, everyone's queuing for their vaccine there. Some serious card games going on here. Wow. China has vaccinated 100 million people in 5 days. How is China able to operate at these kind of speeds? Well, it's because of China's one party, one state, one system that they're following. Not like in America, where every 4 years or so, there's a new president, and the new guy will come in and he'll want to change all the policies that the last president set. Oh, welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, then my name is Jason, aka Wildman Cobra, aka Mr. Isa, aka Humble Wang. And today, we're in a 99th tier city in Guizhou province, one of the poorest provinces in all of China. So you can see there, everyone's queuing for their vaccine there. Oh, it's not that busy actually. We are heading to my favorite restaurant in all of Guizhou province. And we're gonna have some Cao Baba. We're heading there now. 3 eggs. Just arrived at the restaurant now and it is absolutely jam-packed with people. Wow. Wow. No way. Wow, that's so busy. There's no way to sit. Where can we sit? Oh my god, it's jam-packed. Look how low this is. Oh, there's no seats. There's Jiao there. She's got her saguofan. And it is made up of rice. No, noodles.
It is rice noodles.
Oh, it is rice noodles?
Yeah.
Okay, saguofan. I like this dish so much that I ordered 2 of them. 2 portions of it. Look, it's massive. And this is the infamous Cao Baba. You get meat with some kind of delicious chewy kind of rice cake. Just look at that. It's amazing.
We call this kind of restaurant the fly restaurant. Those are the best food.
Fly restaurant, so like 蚊子的餐馆。
蚊子，不是蚊子，蚊子是 mosquito。苍蝇餐馆。
苍蝇餐馆。So as Jiao was just saying, this restaurant is 苍蝇餐馆, which translates to, although it doesn't look, it doesn't look that pretty in this place, the food is just simply amazing. Probably the best in Guizhou, I would say. Oh, 谢谢. First plate down. On to the next plate now. Oh man. Finished both. Well, Jiao actually ate most of it, so.
I didn't. I had like 2 mouthfuls.
You did?
Oh, don't blame me.
Where are we?
You just had 3 eggs as well.
I had 3 eggs as well. I think I ate too much. So you're not gonna believe this, but that plate of Cao Baba, just one dish, one single plate, costs only 12 RMB, which is about $2 or something. Can you believe it, eh? Ah, the fresh Guizhou air, and the sun has come out. The sun is shining down. It's become a beautiful day. Ah, just a guy with a chainsaw. Wonder what he's up to. These are the glory. Who's beeping me? Can't you see I'm trying to film a vlog? You can see another clinic there. It's actually not that busy, and they're just queuing up for their vaccine. Whoa, a lot of people playing cards here. Some serious card games going on here. Wow. They've probably just come back from having their vaccine. Now let me tell you something. Let me tell you something now. China has vaccinated 100 million people in 5 days. Was this impressive achievement announced on Western media? On any Western media? Was this on their headlines that China vaccinated 100 million people in 5 days? No, it wasn't. They're too busy, too concerned, accusing and attacking other countries. Instead of just concentrating on your own country at home, like the UK and America. Look at the state of what's going on in your country. Stop accusing other countries and concentrating on their business. Sort out your own affairs first in your own country, please. Or they're too concerned that China has now announced people can have a third child. Oh my God, China's birth rate has gone down. Oh my God, there's no more people left in China. Quick, we must save them. Democracy must save China. Here's the facts. China, in total, has vaccinated around 600 million people. And they're getting faster as they do it as well, which is even more impressive. The last 100 million that they vaccinated took 5 days. The previous 100 million before that took like 20 days. So you can see they're increasing in speed at which they're doing it. It's insane. And then you've got rich countries like the UK saying, oh, look at us. We've vaccinated 50 million people. Wait, hold on a second. And how long did that take you? Is there any time frame? No time frame. Just we did 50 million so far. Okay, but China is literally doing 20 million a day. What a tiano. And then you're probably going to argue, wait, no, that's not fair. China's way bigger than the UK. Shouldn't it be easier if you're a tiny country like the UK, whose population is literally 70 million? That's like one single tiny province of China. Shouldn't it be easier for you to vaccinate everyone? What's taking you so long? Why have you only done 50? Oh, we seem to have two fans here. A grandma fan and are you a fan?
Hello, are you Mr. 有意思啊？
傻那个头，傻死你！ Oh, there's another fan joining. 我是英国人，英国。英国啊，
抽的烟的哈，对，找到什么女朋友啊？
这是我的老婆。Now, how is China able to operate at these kind of speeds? Well, it's because of China's one party, one state, one system that they're following. Not like in America, where every 4 years or so, there's a new president, and the new guy will come in and he'll want to change all the policies that the last president set. I mean, just look like with Biden and Trump, that's exactly what's happening now. He's like changing all the policies that Trump did. And so then it's just a complete mess. And you end up getting nothing done because they're still arguing. Even once Biden's in and then he's arguing with the other parties about policies and whatever. And he doesn't even have full control of his country. In China, it's completely different. Their main concern is the people. This is the People's Republic of China. China's policies have been running since when? Since 1949, basically. They're still running today, the same policy, the same party. Can America say that? How long have their policies been running? Like 3 years, 4 years, and then the president changes again. Chinese people, they trust their government and their policies that they're putting in place. And that is, I think that is one of the reasons why you see things getting done much quicker here in China. Everything just gets done quicker. Alright, so that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, press like on this video if you want to help me out, and I will see you in the next one. And I'm signing off. And Zhao has something to say.
Signing off.
Signing off. Preggers signing off.
Signing off.